trust that you are all wondering where you are.
What the fuck is going on? I just woke up in here in this chair. I don't know how I got here. Back behind all the black brick walls. No one can hear my calls. Except this time it's different. I can see shit. The TV turns on in front of me. No, I ain't no motherfucking wannabe. But check it, the motherfucking clown comes up on the TV. Saying some shit about the motherfucking keys in my leg if I want to get out and escape. Like, what the fuck? I ain't digging in my leg for no key. But yet again, I'm strapped in this motherfucking chair where nobody gives a fuck, nobody cares. And I'm back behind these black motherfucking brick walls. Nobody can hear my motherfucking call. All I can hear are the paws of the cat that's walking around. But the motherfucking clown dude only gave me 60 seconds to figure it out with no check-ins. I don't even have no time to think about no motherfucking french fries. Oh shit, it's 41 seconds. The shit is almost up. Go motherfucking pluck a duck. You motherfucking clown, cause you motherfucking suck. So I'm sitting here in this chair all tied up. I got 10 seconds left. I'm all pissed off, I'm all fired up. But in this motherfucking chair, I'm wired up. Oh shit, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holy shit, I'm dead. No, I'm not, cause I'm never gonna motherfucking die, motherfucker. Just kidding. Someday, but not today, motherfucker. You motherfucking clown bitch. You motherfucking pull my switch, man. You're gonna find your motherfucking ass. Then I'm gonna come beat your motherfucking ass. Fucking Jigsaw, motherfucker. I live my life to the fullest. I don't even know why you motherfucking pulled this, cause you should have motherfucking knew this. So I'm gonna rise up out this motherfucking chair and come beat your motherfucking clown ass there. Fuck you, Jigsaw. I'm coming for you, bitch. But watch out. I'm from Akron. Ooh, Akron. Yeah, you don't see that. But fuck you. Fuck yeah. Fucking pothole. Coming for you, motherfucking Jigsaw. You better be adjusting those motherfucking toggles.